Hey guys, Michael Sanchez, violin teacher here. I'm so excited to be announcing the winner of the Luger Bow Violin Giveaway. So this Luger violin bow is really nice. It's Pernambuco, which is the best wood of any bow that you can find in the world. And it's such a great stick. It gives you such a great feel and flexibility in your bow strokes. It brings the best out of your instrument. I'm at a coffee shop and we're about to pick the winner of the Luger Bow contest. So I'm going to do it live and actually share my screen so you guys can actually see who's being picked through the contest software. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, so here is my screen share. So this is the contest competition. So we had 3,000 users, 3,000 people entered the contest. So we had a really good showing. Here we go. I bet you guys are real excited. Before I pick the winner, I want to also point out who won the side giveaways, which basically the person with the most shares and the most entries wins a 1-year membership to my website. So right here it shows the person who wins for sharing the most. So Momir, congratulations. Thanks for participating and sharing the contest with your friends and everybody else. And then the top user is Marianne Frisco. Congratulations. It was a close race. I appreciate you, Mitch, Jill, Ryan. All you guys worked hard as well. Thank you so much, Marianne. So please contact me. I can get you set up with that 1-year membership. Here we go. Now for the big winner of the bow. All right, so all I have to do is draw winners, and it will pick a random winner out of all the entries. Drum roll, please. The winner is Esther Dorkson. Congratulations. Out of entry 182,216. Great job. You're from, looks like Seattle, Washington. Please post your loving of this giveaway and any sort of story that you have to share. Would love to see a video and how it's positive affecting your life. So thank you so much, Esther, and hope to hear from you on social media. Please email me at michael@violinshack.com. A big congratulations to the winner. I encourage you to post on social media so that we can get, your story and just, how much it's going to bring joy to your life. I know that not everybody won this contest, and that's normally how it works, but hopefully you at least learned about the violin and you got a good education through my classes. So I'm going to actually play on this Luger bow so you can get a feel and an idea of the quality. As I'm doing a sale right now going on for about a week, and basically you can try out any of the bows that I have offered on sale. And these are really great bows. I work with a shop down in Florida, and I don't deal with them as far as instruments, but their bows are awesome. So the Lugers are just really great. And I'm going to kind of demonstrate some articulation. And the biggest thing is a bow like this is going to really make your violin sound really clean and also bring the best out of your instrument. So yeah, it's really springy, it's really clean, and a nice bow just really makes your violin playing sound a lot better. Most people are blown away by how much a bow improves the sound of their instrument. So yeah, I recommend that you guys click the button below if you're interested in getting some pricing and basically my process for trying out some bows. And you don't have to commit to buying any bows from me. Basically, I recommend that you just try one out and see if it does improve your sound, significantly. So click that button, and hopefully we'll see you there. You can live chat me or send me a message with any questions.